Took some sweet photos of this, ready to make some prints. But I think I'm gonna try to wrap this up super fast. So I can edit my web pages working on the foliage. So I'm using this I use a couple of beat up brushes. And I'll take some black and brown, a little hooker's green, a little sap green, whatever it takes. Whatever it takes. Happy little squirrel, happy little clouds. All right. Sorry. But yeah, so I'll do some stop actions and I'll put some of these up on my YouTube and on my Instas. That's it for now.